Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to connect this OnePlus mobile phone to Google TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Method 1. First go to TV, then select settings icon from top right corner. Select this settings icon. Then select network and internet. So here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. So this is the first step we have to do. We have to connect TV to Wi-Fi network. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. After that, go to mobile phone. In this mobile phone, from top swipe down, then tap on Wi-Fi. Tap here. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. So this is very important. We have to connect both TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network. Okay. After that, in mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connection and sharing. Tap here. Go to screencast. Tap here. Then tap on search for display devices. Tap here. Now searching for display devices. See, this mobile phone has detected both Google TV and Android TV which I am using. Here you can see the name of the Google TV which I am using. Tap on this Google TV. Tap on start now. See, it's working. See, this is a method 1. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in this mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen in both the TV and mobile phone. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to screencast screen, then tap on stop screencast. Done. Okay, this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Open Google Play Store. Tap on this Play Store app icon. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open this Google Home app. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on Devices tab. Tap here. You can see this Google Home app has detected this Google TV which I am using. You can see the TV name here. Tap on this TV name. Then tap on cast my screen. Then tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, it's working. This is a method 2. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to Google Home app. Then tap on stop mirroring. Done. Okay, so these are the two methods. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.